3 months ago, a customer pulled into my shop with a 2019 Camry and one simple complaint. His fuel economy had suddenly dropped overnight. Same driving, same routes, nothing changed except one thing. He switched from 0W-20 to 5W-30 because someone told him thicker oil protects better. Within days, his MPG dropped, the engine felt heavier, and for the first time ever, it started burning oil. I drained it, refilled with 0W-20, and within a short drive, everything came back: fuel economy, smoothness, even the oil consumption disappeared. That raises a serious question: is thicker oil really better, or is it quietly hurting your engine? Why oil viscosity matters more than you think. Most drivers treat oil viscosity like a preference, but it's not, it's engineering. Numbers like 0W-20 and 5W-30 define how fast oil flows, and in modern Japanese engines that flow is critical. These engines are built with extremely tight tolerances where every oil passage, every moving component, even variable valve timing systems depend on a specific oil thickness. Go thicker than recommended and the oil moves slower, struggles to reach critical components during startup, increases internal resistance, and forces the oil pump to work harder. You lose efficiency before you even accelerate. Go thinner than recommended and the oil film weakens under load, increasing heat and wear. This isn't about opinion, it's about precision. The test set up 3 identical engines. To prove this in real-world conditions, I ran a controlled test using 3 identical 2.5L Toyota engines, all in near-perfect condition. Same oil brand, same driving simulation, same environment, only one difference. Engine 1 ran 0W-20, Engine 2 ran 5W-30, and Engine 3 ran 5W-40. Each engine was put through identical cycles: city driving, highway cruising, and aggressive loads, while monitoring power, fuel consumption, temperature, pressure, and internal wear. No guesses, just data. The results: power and fuel economy. The difference showed up immediately. The 0W-20 engine delivered exactly what it was designed for: smooth power, strong response, and efficient fuel use. The 5W-30 engine started losing edge, slight drop in power, noticeable reduction in fuel economy, and the engine felt a bit more strained under load. Then came 5W-40, where the loss became obvious: less power, higher fuel consumption, and a heavier, more restricted feel. Here, what most drivers don't realize: thicker oil creates resistance inside the engine, and that resistance steals power and burns more fuel every single mile. The results were metals analysis. Looking inside the engine through oil analysis told an even clearer story. The 0W-20 engine showed low, stable wear levels, exactly what you want to see in a healthy engine. The 5W-30 engine showed increased wear, not extreme but clearly higher. The 5W-40 engine showed significantly elevated wear metals, meaning more friction, more heat, and more internal damage. The surprising part? The thicker oil that people trust for protection actually caused more wear because it couldn't circulate fast enough to protect components when it mattered most. The results: teardown inspection. After the test, I opened all 3 engines. The 0W-20 engine looked almost untouched: clean surfaces, minimal wear, everything within factory condition. The 5W-30 engine showed early signs of stress like slight polishing and minor heat effects. The 5W-40 engine showed visible damage, worn surfaces, heat stress, and early scoring on key components. Nothing catastrophic yet, but the long-term damage was already clear. Keep running like that and failure becomes inevitable. Why 0W-20 wins decisively? At this point, the result is clear. 0W-20 delivered better power, better fuel economy, lower temperatures, and significantly less wear. And the reason is simple: the engine was designed for it. Engineers didn't randomly choose that oil, they built the entire system around it. When you use the correct oil, everything works together smoothly, efficiently, and reliably. When you don't, you're forcing the engine to fight itself every second it runs. The myths about thicker oil. A lot of people still believe thicker oil means better protection, but the reality is the opposite in modern engines. Protection comes from fast flow and proper lubrication, not thickness. Some think older engines need thicker oil, but what they really need is proper maintenance, not a shortcut that hides problems. Others believe higher oil pressure means better protection, but excessive pressure actually means the system is under stress. Even the idea that thicker oil reduces oil consumption doesn't hold up, because increased wear leads to more problems long term. What oil should you actually use? The answer is simple, and most people overcomplicate it. Use exactly what your manufacturer recommends. Not thicker, not thinner, exactly the same. Engineers spent years designing your engine around that specific viscosity. They've already done the testing, so you don't have to guess. Pair that with a quality full synthetic oil and regular changes, and your engine will last longer, run smoother, and cost you less over time. The cost of using wrong oil. Now here's the part most people ignore: the real cost. Using thicker oil might feel safer, but over time it costs you in fuel efficiency and engine wear. Reduced MPG adds up fast, and increased wear leads to expensive repairs or even engine replacement. What seems like a small change today can turn into thousands of dollars down the road. The clear winner. The conclusion is simple and backed by real results. The oil your manufacturer recommends is the best choice for your engine. It delivers better performance, better efficiency, and better long-term reliability. Don't follow myths, don't rely on outdated advice, and don't guess. Use the right oil, change it on time, and your engine will reward you with years of trouble-free driving.